Hey guys, it's Morgan, and for today's Artistry video, I'm going to be talking to you guys all about serums, specifically what they are, why you need them, and I'm also going to be covering the new Artistry Signature Select Personalized Serum, so let's go ahead and get started. So first off, let's go ahead and talk about what a serum is. A serum acts as the most concentrated part of your skincare routine. So this is going to be the product that is most highly concentrated and potent and is designed to target specific areas of concern for your skin. So this is going to cover anything from wrinkles to hydration. There are a lot of different issues that serums can cover. Serums are also designed to penetrate the skin at a deeper level. So it delivers those potent ingredients directly where it needs to go. I get a lot of questions about when and how to apply a serum. So in a skincare routine, the best time to apply a serum is after you're done cleansing your skin. So this includes cleansing, exfoliating, toning, then you apply your serum, and then you can follow up with your eye cream and your normal cream on top of that. My best tip when it comes to applying a serum onto your skin is applying it very gently onto the surface of your skin, and then I use the palms of my hands to press the serum even deeper into my skin. I find this agitates my skin a lot less, so I'm not causing any excess wrinkles on my skin, but it also pushes the serum even deeper into my skin so it can be more effective. So this is where the Artistry Signature Select Personalized Serum comes into play. Now I really like this because I can customize exactly what I need and want to deliver to my skin. So when you first get your serum, you're going to be getting your base serum, which is this guy here, and this is what you're going to be adding your amplifiers into. There are 5 different amplifiers that you can use with your personalized serum. The 5 amplifiers include the firming, anti-wrinkle, brightening, hydration, and anti-spot amplifier. So essentially any skin concern you might have, you can find something that'll address those specific needs. Now the cool thing about this is you can pick anywhere from 1 to 3 of these amplifiers and mix them into your serum and create a custom serum that will match your skin perfectly. And there are so many different combinations you can come up with. Now of course you can choose to do 1 amplifier, 2 amplifiers, or 3 amplifiers, which is what I'm going to be doing right now. And I am going to be using the hydration amplifier because I can always use a little bit of hydration. I'm also going to be using the brightening amplifier to even out my skin tone, as well as the anti-wrinkle amplifier because, hello, it's preventative. So I have my base serum here and I am going to twist on my amplifier. Excited. Then hopefully you guys can see this. So there is my first amplifier. So now I'm going to twist this off, then go with my second. And then my last amplifier. And it's as simple as that. Now I have my own custom serum that I can use for whatever I need. Now besides the serum being customized specifically for my skin, another reason why I like this concept is because it knocks down these steps in my routine, so I'm not layering on different serums to target different issues I might want to address. So for those of you guys who can't be bothered with a 10 to 12 step skincare routine, this serum itself knocks out a couple steps. And a lower amount of steps is sometimes nice because you don't feel sticky and it doesn't feel like you have a ton of product on your skin. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video all about serums. Specifically for me as a skincare junkie, I really enjoyed talking to you guys about the new Signature Select Personalized Serum. I hope you had fun watching me mix up my own custom serum, and I'm sure you guys are excited to do the same. And I will see you guys in the next Artistry video. Bye guys!